of the Internet of Everything, new products require the integration of various complex chips. To expedite time to market, this project has developed the prefabricated, highly adaptable universal substrate approach, replacing the current process. By mass-producing universal substrate in advance, it not only improves the yield rate and reduces production costs, but also significantly shortens the time required for chip design and manufacturing. Additionally, it facilitates the validation of prototypes for innovative products. This enables the use of programmable packaging as a versatile development platform, further accelerating the application of product systems and fostering collaborations with system manufacturers, miniaturizing the system to a size of a capsule and incorporating various sensors. This approach allows for the rapid development of diverse SiP wireless medical sensor capsules in small quantities. In the future, this miniaturized system will contribute to accelerating diverse product applications.